tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 large format color printer. This powerhouse of a printer is designed to take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm excited to dive into all its incredible features. From professionals to hobbyists, this printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you work and create. So, let's jump right in and see what makes the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 so special. First off, let's talk about the exceptional image quality this printer produces. With its advanced printing technology, you can expect vibrant, accurate colors and crisp, detailed lines. Whether you're printing large format documents, photos, or artwork, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 delivers outstanding results that are sure to impress. The precision and clarity of the prints are unparalleled, making it an ideal choice for professionals who demand the best. Imagine being able to produce stunning prints that capture every detail and nuance of your work. It's a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality printing. Another key feature that sets the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 apart is its reliability and durability. As a Canon Platinum reseller, CES Imaging offers top-notch support and service, giving you peace of mind when it comes to your printing needs. The printer itself is built to last, with a robust design that can withstand heavy use and demanding printing tasks. Plus, with a 1-year on-site warranty included, you can trust that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. This level of support and reliability is invaluable, especially for businesses or individuals who rely on their printer for critical work. Now let's talk about the convenience and ease of use of the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785. This printer is designed to be user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and operate. The large, color touchscreen display allows you to quickly and easily access the printer's functions and settings, and the printer's compact design makes it a great fit for any workspace. Whether you're printing from a computer, mobile device, or cloud service, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 makes it easy to get the job done. The printer's versatility and flexibility are major advantages, allowing you to work the way you want and print from wherever you need to. In addition to its impressive features, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 also offers a range of benefits that can help you work more efficiently and effectively. With its high-speed printing capabilities, you can produce large format prints quickly and easily, saving you time and increasing your productivity. The printer's advanced security features also give you peace of mind, protecting your sensitive documents and data from unauthorized access. And with its eco-friendly design, you can feel good about reducing your environmental impact while still producing high-quality prints. As we wrap up this review, I want to emphasize just how impressive the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785 large format color printer is. With its exceptional image quality, reliability, and ease of use, this printer is a must-have for anyone who needs high-quality printing. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this printer has the potential to take your work to the next level. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible printer. Don't settle for mediocre printing. Upgrade to the best with the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF785. Thanks for watching.